Original ringtones on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, iOS 17. So if you want to get the original ringtones on your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, then here are the steps. You need to simply take your iPhone and then open up your settings under your iPhone. Under settings, you need to go with sounds and haptics. Under sounds and haptics, you will get the ringtone option. Tap on ringtone and you'll be able to see all of the new ringtones on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max. So from here, you can simply choose any ringtone that you would like to add to your device or call. And that's it. That's how you can find the original ringtones on your iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.